Hi, I'm Dean Vaughn. So today, we're going to be, I just started my racing career and we're going to upgrade my handlebars. This is my BMX racing bike and this is the bike I'm going to be upgrading for today. First thing you need to do is remove the brake cable. Once you get it out of the nut, you have to twist the barrel to get it out. This is the barrel that I was talking about. So we have to remove the grip to take the brake lever out to remove the handlebars. So you can try to cut it, or you can do this and take air to blow in it. Now that we have the grip off, we need to remove the lever, and we need an Allen key to remove this hole. So this is our bit socket, and my size is the size is a H5, and we're gonna put it in here. What you need to do is remove the bolts to have the handlebars mounting bolts. These are also H5. Out, set your cap aside and remove your handlebars. Installing the handlebars from inside. They're aluminum with a 5.5 inch rise. The rise is the difference from here to here. The new handlebars are wider than the old handlebars. They're made of steel, which is much heavier than the aluminum ones. We want to center the knurling. In place, install the caps and bolts. Bolts are finger tight, for we can still adjust the handlebars. Now that this is also preference, you want your handlebars to be in line with your forks. Once your handlebars are where you like them, tighten your bolts evenly. Just gap evenly as you go all the way around evenly. If you want to cut your handlebars shorter, sit on your bike and put your hands where they are comfortable. We decided if we want to cut off about an inch. Mark an inch on each side. We are going to use a tube cutter, but you can also use a hacksaw. With your blade on the mark, cut them down at a size. It's that easy. This is optional, but we're going to clean up the end with a deboring tool.
Good.
Now it's time to slide our brake lever on before the grips. Leave it loose for now. We're going to install these oldie grips. Slide on, and then you just tighten this clamp. With the 3, just tighten the grip. Put your grips installed. Just make sure you like the width, just in case. Decide where you like your brake leather and tighten it up. Now it's time to reinstall the brake cable, and it's the opposite how you took it off. Slide your barrel and put it in here to twist it.
Okay.
With your cable installed, tighten your adjustment nut. With everything buttoned up, let's give it a test. That feels pretty good. That pretty much wraps it up. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.